Hey everyone! Picture this. You're eating breakfast, maybe some pancakes, and suddenly, whoosh, you're floating out of your chair. Your juice is flying and your cat's spinning in the air. What if Earth's gravity just disappeared? Gone! What happens next? Before we start, welcome to What If Labs, where we explore the wildest what-if questions with mind-blowing science. Today, we've got a brand new video for you, and it's a crazy one. Please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Get ready for a super fun, science-filled adventure to find out. Let's go!
Gravity is the force that keeps us on the ground, holds our oceans in place, and keeps our planet together. But what if one day, maybe during a big football game, gravity just stopped? Poof, no more gravity. Today, we're exploring what would happen with easy-to-understand science, cool facts, and some fun examples. Trust me, you'll want to watch until the end to see how wild this gets. Let's dive in. Okay. The second gravity disappears, everything starts floating. You, your phone, your snacks, even your couch, up into the air. Why? Gravity pulls things down to Earth's center. Without it, Earth's spin takes over. The Earth spins fast, about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than a race car. So, in places like Florida or Texas, you'd zoom outward like you're on a super fast roller coaster. Fun fact, if you're in a city like Chicago, you're spinning slower, about 700 miles per hour, because it's farther from the equator. Still, that's fast enough to send you and your pizza flying. Imagine the craziness in Los Angeles or New York. Hot dog carts, bikes, even taxis would float away. It looked like a superhero movie, but way messier. Here's another fun fact. Astronauts train in a plane called the Vomit Comet to feel no gravity, and it makes people dizzy. So you might feel super woozy while floating over your neighborhood. But floating is just the beginning. Things get much scarier. Let's talk about the air we need to breathe. This part's serious. Gravity keeps our air around Earth. It's made of oxygen, nitrogen, and other stuff we need to live. If gravity vanishes, that air would fly into space super fast. Think of it like a balloon popping, but it's all the air on Earth. Scientists say a planet like Mars lost its air over billions of years because of weak gravity. Without Earth's gravity, our air would be gone in minutes. Real-world example? NASA's Mars mission in 2018 showed that Mars loses about 100 grams of air every second. Earth's air is thicker, but without gravity, it'd disappear fast. No air means no breathing. In about 15 seconds, you'd feel super dizzy and pass out. Fun fact, astronauts wear big suits in space because without air pressure, your body could swell up like a balloon. So forget playing soccer in your backyard. You'd be struggling to breathe. Now let's talk about water. Earth's oceans cover most of the planet, and gravity keeps them in place. Without gravity, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, even your local pool would float up into giant water blobs. Picture the beaches of California or Florida turning into huge, wobbly water balls flying into space. Real-world stat? The Pacific Ocean has about 700 trillion liters of water. That's a ton of water going wild. Cities like Miami or Seattle would see water rushing around before it floats away. Fish, dolphins, even your pet goldfish, they'd be in big trouble. Fun fact, in space, water turns into perfect round balls because of something called surface tension. Imagine a blob of the Atlantic Ocean as big as a city floating by your house. Cool, but super scary. Now it gets really wild. Gravity doesn't just hold us down, it keeps Earth together. The planet's core, made of hot metal, spins to make a magnetic field that protects us from the sun's harmful rays. Without gravity, the core,
crust, and everything else would start to float apart. It's like Earth is a giant puzzle, and gravity is the glue. No gravity, no puzzle. Real-world example, Earth's gravity pulls at 9.8 meters per second squared. That's what keeps 5.97 sextillion tons of rock and metal together. Without it, pieces of Texas or California could float off like space rocks. Plus, our magnetic field would stop, letting the sun's rays zap the planet. Fun fact, the moon would float away too. No more pretty moonlit nights or spooky werewolf stories, just a big rock drifting off into space.
So, could we survive this? Probably not. Even if you're in a super safe room with oxygen, like a high-tech bunker, the planet would still break apart. The only chance? Maybe if you're an astronaut on a space station with fake gravity. But even then, you'd watch Earth fall apart from space. Not fun. Fun fact, the International Space Station spins to make fake gravity, so astronauts don't float forever. If you're one of the few people up there, you might last a little longer, but you'd miss Earth's burgers and beaches.
Wow, that was a crazy adventure. Lucky for us, gravity's here to stay, fingers crossed. This wild idea shows how much we need gravity to keep our world together. So next time you're eating a burger in Texas or watching a sunset in California, say thanks to gravity. What's the next crazy what if you want us to explore? Tell us in the comments. If you loved this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Hit that bell icon too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.